Jovi, Madhavan, we can't see you. Okay. Callista, hi. Well, I like your background, Callista. That's really interesting. Did you draw that yourself? Did you do it yourself? Your background? Callista? You're on mute.
No.
Oh, it looks very nice anyway. Thank you. Okay, well, most of us are here now. Well done, Cheryl. Thank you. Okay, I need your help to keep the cameras on so we can make it into proper class. And hello, everybody. I know you're on holiday, so doing tuition in holidays doesn't seem fair, but let's keep it sweet and I hope enjoyable. And it really helps if you can mute yourself to speak when it's time to speak. Hardik, you have a question or you have something to say?
What happened to Mr. Joel?
Mr. Joel, nothing happened to him. Please don't worry. I don't know if he's sick, but he's not able to us today and yesterday. Could be he's sick, but don't worry, you'll get him back. He will be coming back. Okay, Hardik, thanks for asking. And don't be worried. Yeah, he's coming back. All right. So, yeah, I'm your occasional teacher. My name is Miss Susan. I'm British, in case you'd noticed. I'm not Singaporean, but I'm married to a Singaporean. And I'm at the moment in the UK. I'm talking to you from the UK. All right. So, anyone been to the UK here? Anyone? Raise your hand. Oh, Madhavan, hi. There you are. Can see you. Welcome. No one been to the UK yet? Well, let me know if you're coming. Grace, have you been? Yeah. Did you go to London? Yeah. Nice. Okay, great. So you know what it's like, right? You can have a bit of fun. Oh, unfortunately, yes. Okay, you want to. Well, you know, the world is your oyster. You have to work hard at your schoolwork, and then you can ask your parents, right, my destination this year will be London or Scotland or somewhere else. Manchester, who knows where you want to go. Okay, so let's look at our materials for today. And it will be great if you can unmute yourself when needed. I'm English, so I can help you with your pronunciation in case you're worried about pronunciation. And as you know, we've been working on a mid-year mock paper just for practice because there's two things to it really, aren't there? There's the English itself, and then actually being cool and calm and organized in an exam, which I never used to be. I used to panic, really panic in an exam, and that's what not to do. So look at how you can tackle your exams when they come really calmly. Will we still be getting points? Yeah, you're getting points. Don't you worry. You get points. Mr. Joel will give you points. I'm not giving you points. I'm giving you encouragement, improvement, praise, suggestions, all of that. Okay. So Mr. Joel will be doing your marking, but for us today, we're going to be going through, and it's interesting to see how you're getting on with your papers. So it's been a while since I've seen some of you. It'll be really nice to find out how you're improving. I know you are. I can see already. Right, so today's session will be the mock exam type questions, grammar cloze, editing, and comprehension cloze. That sounds boring, but when we get into the content, it's probably less boring. But first of all, let's look at tips, because when you're in the exam, you go, you don't know where to look in the paper. It's like, right, okay. So there are steps. There are steps that you can take that will be helpful to you. Yes? Okay, so let's have a look. First of all, read through the list of helping words given when you've got the cloze. They've got suggested words. So you get ready to get your mind set on those helping words. Then read through the passage, then fill in the blanks. And last but not least, you need to read through with the blanks filled in to make sure that it makes sense. Because as you're reading, looking back and forth at the cloze and at the reading at the bone, it could be that you make a mistake. So most people lose marks in exams with careless mistakes, not because they don't know, but just because careless. So I admit it, I'm guilty. All right, so there are 10 blanks, numbered 1 to 2 and number 1 to 10, sorry. From the list of the words given, you have to choose the letters A to Q. Okay, A's to Q. The letters L and O have been omitted to avoid confusion during this cloze, okay, during the marking. Understandable. Yeah, they can be confusing. All right, so here comes Lucas. Grace, what have you got for number 1? You can unmute yourself, Grace.
还可以吃饭。还推我的。
H.
H after, thank you. So we've got H in here. I'm just to keep it easy, so I can write on here H. Yeah, rather than the word itself, but it's after the devastating. Okay, after the devastating tsunami. Thank you very much. And number 2 will be Zoe. Hi, Zoe. Can you unmute yourself and give us number 2, please? What have you got, Zoe? Hello, Zoe. Can you hear us? Can you unmute, please?
A.
Yeah. C. Yes, that's right. Thank you. Thank you very much. Cool. Okay, nice. Callista, can you read this page for us, please? You're on mute. Can you read it for us? Can you unmute yourself, please?
Those seeking more than just a holiday may be able to lend a helping hand while exploring Sumatra, Indonesia. After the devastating tsunami in 2011, many local residents and nearby coastal communities were heartened to see strangers from afar arriving in masses. These foreigners came to help with rescue efforts because the region was facing challenges that needed constant attention. More can still be done.
Nicely read, Callista. Very good pacing, good tone. Well done. Let's look at some of those words, Callista, so you can learn a bit about pronunciation. This island in Indonesia is called Sumatra. Sumatra. Su. So you say Su first. Yeah, Su. Sumatra. Sumatra, Indonesia. Tsunami, you pronounced very correctly. Well done. So it's got a TS word there together, but actually we just say the S. We don't say the tsunami. Not like that. This word is an interesting word, foreign. The G is silent. Foreigners. Foreigners. Great. Thank you very much. And you did very well there. Well done. Okay, let's go on to the next page. And Hardik, could you do number 3, please, for us?
K. From.
K, did you say? K?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, from the skies. Thank you very much. from the skills. Thank you very much. Zero, can you do number 4, please? This one's a bit tricky. Yeah. What have you got?
Much.
Much. One much. No, very close. Very close. So this letter is wrong. How about this one?
Such.
M, yes. One such organization. Like when you say one such means, for example, one organization is. Yes. Raptor. Raptor rehabilitation. Okay, we'll look at that in a minute. What's a raptor? Thank you very much. Can we have Habib, please, for number 5?
L.
L?
Yes.
Volunteers have to perform. Thank you very much. Volunteers have to perform. Well done. Oh, sorry. Hurry there. Okay, Yanqing, could you read this page for us, please?
Mauritius welfare organization can benefit from the skills of volunteers. One such organization is Raptor Rehabilitation Project, a non-profit foundation that rescues sea eagles and seabirds, which is a proud symbol of Jakarta of illegal traders. Volunteers had been trained to perform a range of activities such as feeding animals and birds.
Thank you very much, Yanqing. I like how you read so very carefully. That's excellent. And you attempt all the words, even if they're tricky. I just realized that number 5 is wrong. So Habib, you have to redo it. Okay, because you've got B in there. So have a think about that. But I'm going to go back to Yanqing. There's some difficult words in there and you've tackled them well. Raptor rehabilitation. So go step by step. Rehabilitation project. Well done for trying that. And then we had Jakarta. Jakarta, the capital of Indonesia. Jakarta. Well done. Okay, Habib, what have you got? It's not L. So what is it? It's a verb. You're right, it's a verb. And try something else, Habib.
Will.
Well done. Yes. Will be trained. That's right. When is future, will be trained. Well done for correcting yourself. Great. Thank you. Okay, now we're going on to Sanvi. Number 6, Sanvi. You just got distracted, didn't you? Sanvi, can you answer number 6, please?
B.
B.
Also.
You said also. Also. Yes, it's also. So what letter is that? That's P.
B.
Yeah, P. P, yes. I thought you said B. Okay. I was wondering. It's also, yes. Okay. Thank you very much, Sanvi. Madhavan, could you do number 7, please?
D.
B? B?
No. D.
D. Thank you very much. Yes, D. Thank you very much. Lucas, hi. Could you turn on your camera, please?